Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, you know that very well as your school is going to be open on 1st March. 1st March, okay? And today is 26th Feb, so there is no more 2 days, only 2 days. So get ready for your school, and today I will give you some questions students here, and you will do it like a test. This is like a test. I will give you 10 questions. First question is fill in the blanks, because in the class has also some students, they will also give the test. Write down students, write down. Question number 1. A. If today is Sunday, yesterday was, we write the answer. Question number B. If yesterday was Wednesday, today is. You will write the answer. Okay, students? Are you getting? Next question. Very easy. 80 not 8 into 0 is equal to 60. The greatest 3-digit number is, we will write here, the smallest 3-digit number is. Okay, students? These are the 5 questions of fill in the blanks. You will do it. And next question I will give you true or false. True or false. Have you written completed? May I erase only 2? May I erase only 2 questions? So, write down only 2 questions I will erase. And here I will write true or false. Question 2, write true or false. Write true or false. Okay, students, write true. Question number 2 is write true or false. Question number A up to 3 into 10 equal to 10 into 3. B 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 4 into 2. This is true or false. You will write only true or false. Okay. What we will write, students? You will write here true or false. Here true or false. This statement this statement is right here because here has given equal to. This statement is true or false. Okay, so you will write here true or false. Okay, because in the middle has given equal to. Are you getting? This number is equal to this number. It is right, true or false. Only you will write true or false. This number is equal to this number. You will write true or false. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? इसमें ट्रू और फॉल्स इसलिए लिखना होता है, ये बताना है कि यह जो नंबर हमने लिखा है इसके बराबर है, यहाँ इक्वल टू का साइन दिया है तो यहाँ लिख रहा है कि बराबर है कि नहीं है, सही है या गलत है, ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी. 260 इक्वल टू 200 प्लस 268 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, may I read this, students?
Yes, sir.
This one.
No.
Okay, question number. Okay, write down question number D. Okay, when a number is multiplied, when a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. The answer is always 0. It is true or false? We will write. Next question. May I erase this last question? Okay, students, you will write this. I will give you 10 marks because 10 questions are given. Okay, so it is your test. Okay, students, so you will do it and you will send to me on a WhatsApp group. So thank you. Have a nice day.